How to make shrimp fried rice, an easy recipe. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make fried rice recipe, homemade, delicious and easy fried rice recipe. If you're interested, let's start making our shrimp fried rice. Welcome to Olayemi cooking channel. If you're new here, you're welcome. For old and new subscribers, thanks so much for being supportive of Olayemi cooking channel. We love cooking easy recipe and delicious. Let's start making our fried rice recipe. I have baby carrots, chopped baby carrot, and green beans cut into smaller size, and likewise corn. I'm using yellow corn as well. Then chopped onions. I'm also going to be using this spice, which is dry thyme leaf, and as well I'm also going to be using curry powder. So this is my shrimp. I've already prepared my shrimp by cooking it. So let's start making our fried rice. I'm going to go ahead and add cooking oil into this pot. Then I'm going to allow it to heat a little bit. So we are going to prepare our vegetable to start cooking our fried rice. So let me just add my chopped onions into my oil. So I'm going to let it cook so I can perceive that aroma of that fried onions. So let me give it a nice stir. If you've not liked this video, please do not forget to hit the like button, and if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to subscribe as well and hit the notification bell so you get updated of my new recipe. So I'm going to go ahead and add my chopped onions. Then I'm going to add all my veggies. I'm going to add my green beans as well. Then I'm going to add my yellow corn, then my shrimp. So if you've not liked, as I said, please hit the like button. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. So I'm going to go ahead and add my cooked shrimp as well. Then we are going to go ahead and stir our veggies and our shrimp together. I just want my veggies to just cook for about 5 minutes. It's just a 5 minutes easy fried rice recipe, and is a very delicious shrimp fried rice. So you're going to enjoy the taste of that fresh vegetables, everything perfectly cooked, and is a perfect dinner recipe. Is a perfect seafood. You're going to enjoy this seafood if you're eating this fried rice for dinner. Give it a stir. Then this is our seasoning that we are going to be adding. So I'm going to go ahead and add my seasoning. I have seasoning, salt and dry thyme leaf, so I'm going to add it into this. If you observe, I already add my seasoning into this, so I'm going to give it a nice stir. You can as well add a black pepper to it if you like the taste of black pepper, and you can as well add soy sauce into it if you want to make a Chinese shrimp fried rice or Chinese fried rice. So let's just stir our ingredients with our veggies to make it cook for just a minute. Then we'll go ahead and add our curry. I'm going to add my curry just to give that fine smell and flavor. Then I'm going to stir everything together. Please, if you've not subscribed, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button to get updated on my next delicious recipe. So I have cooked rice. This is a cooked rice. You can as well use your leftover rice. So I'm going to go ahead and add it. It's about 3 cups of cooked rice. So I'm going to add it into my vegetables, and I'm going to mix everything together by stirring it, because I want my rice to be rich with my vegetables and with my shrimp. So you're going to enjoy this shrimp fried rice. As I say, it's very delicious, very easy to prepare, and very fast. It's a very fast recipe on shrimp. So I'm going to keep everything on it is well mixed. So please do not forget to hit the like button. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section, and remember to share Olayemi cooking recipe with your friends and your loved ones. So let's just stir and everything. You can see how it looks. It smells really good. You are going to enjoy this taste of every bit of it. Everything tastes really perfect. So let's make sure how it looks after preparing it. This is the outcome. You can see everything is well cooked and everything is perfect dinner recipe. So this is our outcome of our shrimp fried rice. Thanks so much for watching this shrimp fried rice, and if you really enjoyed this recipe, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button on this video and notification bell. And you can as well watch this my carrot pizza and my dessert, and as well I have so many recipe on smoothie. Thanks so much for watching my video. I guess I will see my next recipe. Please be safe out there.